So this is Majengo. You can see all this kind of apartment you can get in this area. Very, very nice. Look at that. Look at those amazing apartments. Wow. Hii yote huku ni Majengo. Majengo yote hii. So I've told you, if you want 1-bedroom apartment in this area of Majengo, it goes for 18,000 shillings to 20,000 shillings. 2-bedroom apartment, 28,000 shillings to 30,000 shillings. And 3-bedroom apartment goes for 45,000 shillings to 50,000 shillings. You can get a modern apartment in this area of Majengo. So guys, today I'm in Majengo neighborhood here in Mombasa, and I want to give you a tour of how this area looks like, and the housing and how people live in this area of Majengo. It's one of the popular estates here in Mombasa and across Kenya at large, because Kenya has a lot of Majengos neighborhoods. In Kenya, in Nairobi, we have Majengo, Nakuru, Majengo, Kisumu, Majengo, and today I'm in Mombasa showing you guys how Majengo looks like here in Mombasa. So let's begin. So when you go to this side, you go to Super Love Company. You can see there it is, the Super Love Company. That's the most amazing, beautiful apartment over here. So let's go to this side. So Super Love Company is on the other side, and on this side, all of this is Majengo. And also the area has a market. Rather than going to Kongoya market, they have their own market over here where they sell goods, vegetables, fish. The area is known for fish. If you want to buy amazing and good fish, you can buy them here in Majengo. That's one of the advantage of living in Majengo. You can see. And this area has so many businesses. Like, people in this area, they are making money. They are doing businesses everywhere. You can see the area is full of businesses everywhere. That's one of the amazing things. Yeah, that's why you can find so many people living in this area, so many businesses around. This is the Majengo market here in Mombasa. If you have never been in this place, this is how this place looks like. Market. That's the main entrance of the market. On the other side, main entrance. When you go to this side, you can find fish shops where you can buy some fish and eat tilapia and all kind of fish. But this side, all of this is market. Okay. So let me take you to this side first. Let me take you to this side so that I can able to show you the interior of Majengo. Hey, masamaki bana. Fish everywhere. You can see tilapia. You can see fish over there. Woo! Tilapia. Karanga samaki. So I told you, if you want good fish, you can find them here in this area of Majengo. Popular for tilapia and all kinds of fresh fish, tilapia, fried. You can get them in this area of Majengo. So let me take you to the interior, so you can see the kind of apartment you can get them here in Majengo. And also I'll be asking the rent price of apartment here in this area of Majengo, so that I can able to know how much is an apartment here in this area of Majengo. But this is how it looks like. Nice Majengo. Woo. You can see the apartments over here. Wow, this is nice. You can see houses are different. Like, we have this house here, Swahili house, and also we have apartment on the other side. So this is kind of different. Wow, this is nice. You can see this apartment over here, and you can see this kind of house over here. So houses here are very different, super different, and I'm so surprised about this area. main road again. Let's go to the interior, guys. Still moving on the interior of Majengo. Let's go to the interior. I've told you, if you are coming for a house hunt in this area of Majengo or any other places here in Mombasa, you need to go to inside these streets so that you can able to know the kind of houses you can get them inside these streets of these estates here in Mombasa. Because most of the good houses are just hiding in the interior streets of the neighborhood. So you need to move, you need to talk to the locals, the residents, so that they can able to have an idea of how the area looks like. But this is Majengo, guys. This is Majengo. You can see all this kind of apartment you can get in this area. They are nice, yeah? Very, very good, very, very nice. Look at that. Look at those amazing apartments. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. Hi, Mambo. Look at those. Woo. This is just beautiful, yeah? All of these apartments located in this area of Majengo. So surprising, so beautiful. And the area is clean. You can see the cable roads are very nice. Wow, this is nice. Amazing. This is a mosque. I told you guys, most of the residents in this area are Muslims. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I told you that most of the residents in this area are Muslims. So consider when you come here, you'll get so many Muslims around. So you can see these are old apartments, and also we have new ones. But the area is big. If you don't know more about this area, you can get lost. So the area is so big, it goes all over to the other side. You can see the other side. Yeah, so the area is super big. So guys, I just asked one of the residents who is living in this area of Majengo, how much is the rent price in this neighborhood? And I'm surprised to know that the rent price of this neighborhood, this modern apartment here, goes for, one bedroom goes for 18 to 20,000 shillings. Yeah, 18 to 20,000 shillings. You can get a modern one bedroom apartment in this area of Majengo. Yeah, 28 to 30,000 shillings. You can get a two bedroom apartment in this area of Majengo, and 40 to 50,000 shillings. You can get three bedroom apartment in this area of Majengo. Yeah, so that's the rent price of apartment here in this area of Majengo. Those are the good and amazing apartments in this area. Look at that. Woo. This is nice. These are the streets of Majengo. Huh? Kama hujatembea huku, tembea jamaa, ujionee. Lakini hii ndo mitaa ya Majengo 2025. So let's move in this side and get to know this neighborhood of Majengo. Wow. People are still constructing houses here. You can see this amazing building over here under construction. Wow, so tall. This is on Hiras. Wow, look at this. Wow, construction is going on in this neighborhood. This is nice, guys. Wow. Damn. The area is super busy, guys. Like everywhere is busy, construction going on, businesses around. Woo. The area is super busy, crazy. Yeah. Businesses everywhere, like this one here. You can get businesses over here for clothes and everything. That's the markets over there. Wow. And see, that's the stretch of the market. Safaricom house on this side. That's the market. So want to go straight, you can see all these buildings over here. So want to go straight on this side. There, if you are going to Superloaf area, so I want to go straight on this side of Majengo. That's the Majengo market. Like every corner here, when you take a corner, you get to the market. When you take another corner, you get to the market. So the market is a big one. So that's the Majengo market. That's the entrance. You can see. That's the entrance of Majengo market. Okay. We have this side. See this side. Hey, how are you? Yes. So guys, let's just move because there was a vacant house over here, but I didn't get to see the caretaker of that house. But we are still moving on this side so that I can able to show you guys how Majengo looks like. But this is how the beautiful area of Majengo looks like in 2025. So if you like the neighborhood, you can just come here, look for a house, come for house hunting. I've been told by the resident here that we have different kind of houses here, and also we have got vacant houses here. So you can come here for house hunting so that you can able to see for yourself. Okay, so this is how it is. Majengo. Look at the houses, guys. Wow. Nice. You can see it goes all over to that side and again to this side. We are going back to the market. This is the other side of the market. You can see fish everywhere. I told you guys, if you want good fish, hey, unakuja tu hapo unakula samaki. You enjoy yourself here. Good tilapia. Like this one here, you can see it. Woo, nice. Amazing. Let's go to this side. You can see construction is still going on. Also, we have amazing buildings on the other side. All of this is Majengo, guys. The estate is coming up very well. As I told you guys, we have old houses and also we have new houses. Old houses like this one here, a very old Swahili house like this one here, and a modern house like this one here. You can see the difference. That's the difference, huh? You can see all these buildings over here. And I told you this is a community, an estate that has so many Muslims. So if you're a fan of living with Muslims, very nice. You can see high rises everywhere. On the other side we have high rises. You can see this one is another high rises that is coming up this area. It goes all over to the other side. All of this is Majengo. Wow. Let's move to this side. All of this is Majengo. As I told you guys, this area has so many businesses. If you want speakers, fish, hey, this nice place is nice. Wow. Tilapia. Mama Kisumo. Intie. Wow. Majengo is a very big area. So you cannot just finish it in a minute. You need to move around. What do you think about the area? Do you think the area is nice? Do you think it's amazing? Do you think it's a place where you can stay in 2025 or 2026? Or do you think that it's a plan on your plan list? Do you think that you can come here and rent a house and stay in this area of Majengo? let me know on the comment section. And also on this side we have apartments on this side. Yeah, all of these are apartments, huh? So if you want to live in this area, all of these are apartments. Very nice houses on this side. Much apart. Okay, look at these amazing and beautiful apartments over here. Nice. Wow, this is great. Beautiful, guys. So we have these Swahili houses over here. Nice apartments over here. Look at this amazing apartment over here. I'm just walking in the interior of Majengo. Nice. Look at that. So beautiful, right? So amazing. Guys, this is Majengo neighborhood here in Mombasa. Wow. It's nice. Look at that. Woo. Nice. All of this amazing. Look at this. Woo. This place is amazing, guys. Super nice. Best place to live here in Mombasa. Majengo neighborhood. Woo. You can see all this beautiful apartment over there. Wow. Let's go to this side. We have so many people, so many businesses over here, and also the area is nice with so many modern apartments all over here. So wow, this is nice. You can see we have the super loft. Huh? The super loft Mombasa. Hapa ndo tunakulanga mikate, mikate tunapata hapa nyuma yetu hapa, huku sehemu za Majengo Sabasaba. Okay, so when you are taking this road, it takes you back to Sabasaba neighborhood. Kuna kupeleka Sabasaba. Hii yote huku ni Majengo, Majengo yote hii. Now you know how Majengo looks like in 2025. So if you are coming here for a house hunt, if you want some vacant houses, we have so many. I've asked around and they told me that we have so many vacant houses. So it's a matter of just getting the caretakers and talking to them so that I can able to give you a house to stay in this area of Majengo. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.